Check out this 4x4 at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 2009 Toyota FJ Cruiser 4x4. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 48,000 on this one. 4-liter V6 underneath the hood, paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission, and quite a few desirable upgrades on this particular one. I'll try to hit on the majority of them as we kind of do the walk around here. As you can see, ARB front bumper and worn 10,000 pound winch on the front, some KC fog lights. This would be Sun Fusion would be the color of this. Black interior. You can also see a safari snorkel right here. And just so you know, the transmission and e-locker breathers relocated to the engine bay. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, riding on aftermarket XD series wheels. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures. 507-386-1726 is where you can call in. Any questions on this one? So bucket seats up front, black cloth, center console, and of course your 6-speed shifter on the floor. Paint shows well on this one. Maybe an imperfection here or there, but overall paint does definitely show well. As you can see, 5 full-size tires with a full-size spare in the rear. Swing out arm for that full-size spare. Floor mats, the control for the winch, extra center cap will all be included in this. There's also a kind of a gauge pod on top of the dash. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This does have a rough country 6-inch lift, nitro 4.56 gears, front and rear. I mentioned the XD wheels. It does have the Nitto Trail Grappler tires on it. Icon 2.5 front coilovers and rear shocks with remote reservoir. Total Chaos upper and lower control arms, as well as Complete Chaos rear link kit. Onboard ARB compressor, front ARB air locker linked to the air compressor are a few of the highlights on this one. Take a look a little closer at the interior here in just a bit too. Of course, I showed you the cloth floor mats that will go along with it, otherwise the rubber flooring, I guess, if you will, in it. And then take a look at the seat. Free of rips, tears, holes. Of course, the rear doors will also open. And again, you'll be able to see this all in the still pictures. Probably over 100 pictures of this vehicle online. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Take a look at the dash, exact miles. Take a look under the hood. We'll wrap this up. There's your exact miles, 48,075. No check engine lights, service engine soon, anything like that. Stereo system working as it should. AC blows cold. There's also a rear view camera that's been raised up and mounted in the rear, and that will play over the rear view mirror itself. Top of the dash looking good. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, a little over that 48,000. Switches for that front air locker and the ARB compressor, nicely installed. Not cheap upgrades on this, that's for sure. Take your time looking through the still pictures. let you hear it run. Sounds as you would expect. And let me slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood. Check out the engine bay. Like I said, we'll wrap this video up. Get a good look underneath the hood. Of course, these stickers that you see here, you'll see those on all the panels. Fenders up front here. So again, confirming original panels, but it is a clean Carfax. So there it is, that 4-liter V6 being paired up with that 6-speed manual transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. Be a fun one for any of the off-road enthusiasts. Or if you like having something a little different, local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Have some fun with this one. 2009 Toyota FJ Cruiser, 4x4, low miles, a lot of high-end upgrades. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726, phone number. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase of this vehicle. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Well, here we have a bright yellow 2009 Toyota FJ. A vehicle ready to do some off-roading if need be. This one is especially unique to me. It is a 6-speed manual on the floor or on the center console, if you will. It's got that Baja suspension feel with all that height. Very nice vehicle. All our gauges are working. If there is any light flicker from our dash, that's just our camera's frame rate and not the vehicle itself. The AC is working, that is currently on. Temperature is about halfway up the gauge. Very smooth ride. Get her in the lane here and let go of the wheel. She stays good and straight, so the alignment is good. Easy to drive stick. The clutch feels good. Great visibility in this vehicle. You're up nice and high. There are a lot of capabilities of this vehicle. We're just showing you a couple. Very comfortable ride, spacious interior, and very capable of off-road duties. Check out this 2009 Toyota FJ at